Hello everyone, welcome to another video review on gold technical analysis from elliottanalysis.com. Let's take a look at the daily gold price chart. Here we have the price action with the most recent moves, and initially I had been having a notion that it's actually a 1-2-1-2 setup the downside, but the move has been rather choppy. And the best count that I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming a leading diagonal, and this diagonal is actually wave 1 of a much bigger move to the downside. In the previous analysis I had said that there's going to be a strong there's a possible strong support region here, as well as a gap here. Because if you take a look at this price action, the prices broke through this level. There was a gap, and then prices came down, but it couldn't even come back down to test the gap. So gold price had formed a nice base here, a strong base, and then when prices finally retraced, the price bounced off this strong base. Now, so in the past few weeks, this price was tested once, but then the recent days, gold price had broken through this price level, and it actually came down into this price gap area, but then it stopped or paused there, okay, and closed there for the week. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen in the next few days, whether this gap gets taken down. Because if this gap gets broken, I think prices will head lower without too much effort, because there's only one remaining support area here with this big bullish engulfing candle. Coming back to the leading diagonal, so we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completing the wave 1 to the downside. This is going to be followed, because there's this strong support here. I think the price of gold is going to go up in a retracement, and that gives a target. If we take a target of Fibonacci retracement level of 38% to 62, we get a target of 1320 to 1370. From there on, we can expect gold to break down strongly in wave 3. So we have wave 1, 2, 3, and that wave 3 normally is the strongest and would be the right type of wave to break these two support regions. Now, if we take a look at the length of this wave 1, and if we project a 1.61 times wave 1 from the target for wave 2, it is very likely that the previous target of 1150 would be broken. I think that if indeed it goes down 1, 2, 3, in this wave 3 would be a much stronger one, and with a final target of around $1,000 per troy ounce of gold. Now there's an alternate count as well. The previous alternate count has been invalidated because the previous alternate count was wave 1, 2, and then sub wave 1, 2 to the upside. That was a bullish setup, but since the price has gone below this wave 2 here, so this 1, 2, 1, 2 setup has been invalidated. So we have to look for another alternate candidate, and what we have here is a ABC forming wave W, a double zigzag, here we have contracting action, which we label as wave X, and this will be followed by wave Y to the upside. If we take a length of W and project an equal length for wave Y, we come to a target of 1520. So both the alternate as well as the primary count is pointing to upside for now. Of course, both have different targets. What I'll be looking for next is the behavior of price action and how it moves high in this wave 2. Whether I'm expecting a choppy move to the upside, choppy and weak move to the upside. But on the other hand, if it turns out to be impulsive and strong, then the alternate count WXY would be promoted as the primary count. So let's look out for the price action in the coming weeks on gold, and we'll give you an update as the price progresses. Till then, goodbye for now.